Hi, in this video we will see what is pip in Python. Pip is a package installer of Python. Using this pip we can install the packages of Python, whatever we need based on our requirement. The simple command for installing any package is pip space install space then the module name. Now let's, for example, we want to install on module which is called selenium. So the command should be something like that: pip install selenium. So pip will be the first word and then we want to install that package. That's why they install keyword, and after that we have to mention the package name. For this example, selenium is the package name, so the whole command should be pip then a space install then a space then selenium. That's why the definition of pip is a package installer of Python, because using this command we are basically installing the packages. That's why it is called package installer of Python, and we can use pip to install packages from the Python package index and other indexes. We can also clear it more nicely that pip command is a tool. Basically it's a tool, right? We are writing that line and basically it is doing something in the backend. Okay, and there is a pip.exe file. If you watched the installation video which I recorded before, I explained where is the location of pip.exe. And here I mentioned pip command is a tool for installing and managing Python packages such as found in Python package index. And then it is a replacement for easy install. Okay, and finally, using pip, we can install the module. It will install the dependency also. Suppose, for example, for Selenium, I installed only one thing, pip install Selenium. But if it is required some other packages of Selenium, it will also download all of them with those dependencies. And for more information, we can visit the official website of pip, github.com/pipa/pip. So this is the URL. So let's go to the website and check what is there. So basically, this is the website of pip. Okay, official website, and here it is mentioned the pip, the Python package installer, and it also mentioned that this is a package installer for Python, and using this we can install Python packages. And there are some other description you can read, and these are the record files of pip, but we don't need this thing because once we install Python, that pip already installed by default, and from there in the Python interpreter we can write the command to install Python. And now let's see how we can find the modules or packages to install through pip. So this is the official website of pypy.org, and using this website you can easily find the Python packages, and using this search box you can find and install and publish Python packages with the Python package index. Okay, for example, I want to search the Selenium package. So I'm typing Selenium and then I am hitting enter key. Once I hit enter key, I will see this type of thing, that Selenium 3.on.41.0 Python bindings for Selenium. Suppose we want to install this. So we just need to click on top of this package, and once you click there it will give me the detailed instructions. So here at the top it mentioned that this is Selenium, and also it is showing the install command of Selenium. So the command is pip install Selenium. We can copy or we can select the text and then copy. And here there is also some other discussion they mentioned, like installation, how we can update something like this pip install -u Selenium. This will upgrade or install Python bindings, and these are the things you can go. So in this way, using pip, we can install Python packages. And the best definition of pip is that it's a Python package installer. It is used to install Python packages. So thank you for watching this episode, and hopefully it will help you. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the tutorial.